Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 9 of Building the Tumbler from Batman. This is a very quick build episode. You'll see why in just a moment. But before the build, obviously, we look at the magazine as ever. Fiction versus reality. One of the things that viewers perhaps don't realise when watching Batman Begins is that the interior scenes of the Tumbler were actually shot in a different car to the one shown. I'm not really shocked at that. Interior shots are often not the thing that you thought was the interior. Buildings very rarely the same interior as the exterior, so why should the car be? Yeah, there we go. So that two comfortable seats that in reality weren't so comfortable. I'm not shocked that it wasn't comfortable. Yeah, the first Batman. We know we're Batman in Detective Comics. I was aware of that. There we go. A bit about another contributor. And another page from Batman's history. Right, step-by-step instructions. In this issue, we get the hub, the rim, and the little, they call it a journal cross. It's interesting. I don't know what that was called. So yes, that's what we're actually fitting. We're just fitting that piece into there. In the reverse of what we did last time, we fitted it onto the other bit and then fitted it into this. For some reason, we're doing it this way. Obviously, just to give us something to do in this issue, because that's it. That's what we're doing. We're fitting that little bit to the bit that we did last time. And then next time, we're going to get the wheel, and then obviously we can fit the wheel to the hub, and then fit all that to that. So that will be a slightly more involved build issue. But for now, let's get the journal cross installed. Okay, I will put the picture up, but basically we've got a plastic and a metal rim. I keep forgetting how huge these tyres are going to be. So they'll go together like that once we get the tyre involved, but not yet. We have this apparently journal cross and 2 screws to hold that in place. Nice and easy, one in either side on that and in that. And then when we fix this to the bulkhead, like we did the other one, obviously we'll be able to just put in the other 2 screws to hold that in place. No matter which order they go in, but you know, as long as we get it all done, we don't mind. So that is that. Make sure that lines up. Doesn't feel like that's lining up, but it is, but it isn't. Oh well. Maybe I will switch out that screw for another one because that's not feeling. Oh no, that feels okay now. It's quite tight, but it's good. Going in there, okay. There we go. Maybe it wasn't quite lined up right. So that is that in there, and that will rotate, and we'll get that in that sort of orientation for when we add the other bit to it down the line. So that's that. That's this build complete. Thanks for watching. Stick around for the next part in a couple of days, or watch another part work while you're waiting. I shall see you very soon for this or more things. Bye bye for now.
Yeah.